Hi guys, real quick, I am going to show you, I'll piece together how I have put together the milk crate die. Have you seen, I posted this on my Instagram, and this is for Brittany's fall or autumn ornament swap. And I just thought it worked really well. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay with how I've filled the crate, but I would really like to show you how I put it together. Okay, for this die, I found this die on AliExpress, and I will do my best to get a link to you down below. Here's the pieces it came with. And you want to cut this twice, 2 times, okay? See? You cut it twice, and then down here are the additional pieces. Now the first one I put together, I couldn't figure out quite what to do with these. So I have an idea what to do with these, and then there's these little pieces here. And then I have already got my foam pieces ready. And here's the foliage that I am working with. I found these, I think on Temu, I believe. And then I have made these stickers of the Cozy Days collection, which is a Simple Stories collection. This is a digital, and I did buy the full collection, and I am so excited to be working with that. And anyway, so what we're going to do here is we have the 2 pieces, and you glue them together. Okay, I'll be right back with that. Okay, see, so you glue the 2 pieces together, the base first, and then you'll see that you have these little guys here, and these all glue the sides together like you're building a box. Okay, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, and here it is, all of the sides together. Okay, and then now what I want to do, put that over there, is I believe I am going to glue these on, or no, excuse me. I'm gonna glue these on first. And then I think then I will glue these on, and then I will glue the rings on and see how that looks. We'll see, but you know, most of these projects, you're in charge when you put the dies together. You know, I mean, obviously there's a way to put them together, but something like this, if you think it looks better a certain way, then that's how you do it. Okay, and it doesn't matter if the tabs are facing out, right? Because these are going to cover that. Okay? All right. Okay, so I decided that I would glue the extra rings on the outside. Honestly, I don't know if that's right or not, but it just looks cute when you get everything in it. So anyway, it's up to you how you put them together, right? Okay, so I have taken out my elements to kind of play with, and I have pulled some maple leaves, some other leaves, and some butterflies. And how, isn't this pretty? They some of the pieces are already embossed, so I like that. And then I'm going to fussy cut my foxes. Okay, or maybe the extra strip is for the bottom. So I'm gonna do this one this way, and I'm gonna add, I'll cover that up with an embellishment. And then I'm gonna do this one with the bottom trim this way. And side note, before you finish off leave the side open that you're gonna tuck the little tab in so it looks all neat and clean. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Okay, so that single strip goes on the bottom. Okay, and you know, anything that's imperfect, that's where an embellishment goes. How about that? Yeah, cover it up. Okay, and kind of the same way with the bottom ones, we have the top side pieces. See? And it's okay to glue the tab down, and the other side we're going to leave open to tuck the tab in from the other piece. Okay, and see, here's the last little side, and we're going to get that glued. And now we're going to finish off with the little the rings for the top handles. Okay, and there we have it. I think that definitely works better. Yeah. Oh well. It's still super cute, and with the embellishments you don't even notice, to be honest, because here's this one here. Right? Don't even notice it. Isn't it cute? Okay. All right. Now I'm going to finish off, and I have my foam pieces. I've got some other pieces. Here's my leaves, and I'm going to embellish the other two. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video of how to put together the Melt Crate die if you happen to have it, or if not, it is available on AliExpress, and I will put a link down in the description box. This is Denise Abati Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Be safe. Bye, guys.